Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Baba Chops from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a curve near the top, and then one more on both sides. Now underneath, let's add the eyes. We'll start with two curves down in the center. And then a bump up for the nose. Now top out and let's draw a curve down and in. Next, inside each eye, let's draw an oval. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop up on top of each eye and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And then thicken each of these lines up slightly. Now top to the sides and let's draw another bump, bringing it outwards. And then a curve down and back up on both sides. Next, let's hop back inside and let's finish drawing the face. Underneath the nose, let's draw a curve down and bring it back up, and the same on the right for the nostrils. And then underneath, let's draw a large curve across for the top of the mouth. Now at the top, let's draw a curve out and down. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath to close off the mouth. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the top for the teeth and a line down in the center. And then inside the mouth at the bottom, let's draw two bumps for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now underneath, let's add another curve for the bottom of the head. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's add the ears on the sides. Next to the hair on the sides, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. And then add another curve inside near the top. Now top up to the top and let's finish drawing the head. On the top, let's draw two curves out and then a bumpy line down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing a curve out and up on both sides for the tops of the arms. And then another curve underneath in the same way. And then close off the end with a curve. Now top in and let's draw another curve at the end. And then two more on each arm. Now top under the arms and let's draw a small curve down. And then a bumpy curve down and back in towards the center. And the same on the other side. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the details. Let's start by drawing the skull at the top. Let's draw a curve up and back down, leaving the bottom open. Now let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across the bottom. Now inside this bottom section, let's draw 3 lines. And then let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles with a curve underneath. And color these in black. And then underneath, let's draw a small black triangle for the nose. And that's it for the skull. Underneath, let's add the zipper by drawing 2 lines down in the center. And then add some striped lines across inside. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move underneath and add the legs. Let's start with 2 angled lines down and out on the left and on the right. And then a curve across at the bottom. And then let's add a curve inside each of the legs near the bottom like this. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side of the body, let's draw a few bumps going out and back in. And that's it for Baba Chops. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!